Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 4 slices of sturdy bread like brioche or challah, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon. Also, have a shallow dish for dipping and a non-stick pan ready. This simple preparation ensures a perfect breakfast every time. Now, let's prepare the flavorful batter. In your shallow dish, whisk 2 large eggs until they are thoroughly combined. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of milk or cream. This adds a wonderful richness. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of cinnamon for that classic sweet and warm flavor. Mix until the batter is smooth and ready for dipping. It's time to cook. Gently dip each bread slice into the batter, letting it soak for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. Meanwhile, preheat your non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding a pat of butter. Place the dipped bread in the hot pan, cooking each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious French toast is ready. Serve it immediately while it's warm. You can top it with anything you love, like a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra special treat, add a dollop of whipped cream or a warm fruit compote. Enjoy this delightful breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.